This is Uddiyanabhanda. To begin, you will take a deep breath in and exhale while flaring your lower ribs, and you will bend forward so that you can fully exhale all of the air possible out of your lungs, and then sit back up. This will create tension through the diaphragm to create a stretch in the diaphragm and improve mobility. It looks something like this. You may have noticed that the tissue here around my neck was sucked down. The reason for this is because as I bent forward and came back up but kept my ribs flared, it created back pressure, and that back pressure is what actually stretches the diaphragm.